Okay, let's test out this module. So I'm filtering my toolkit and I want to choose this one, and it's enabled, it's active. I click this, and then here, LearnDash to Moodle export, and we basically select one like so and choose one and then click this button and download it. Now I'm not going to do that right now, but because I've already downloaded it. But down here, if we scroll, we see how to import it, and there's a couple options. One is CLI, which is really fast, and there's other ways to go through the Moodle administrator and go to more, restore, blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to try this one, so I'm going to open up a terminal. And I'm going to just simply put in this command and see if it takes. Now paste it in. But before I press enter, let's go over here to our Moodle course listings. And, we don't have any. So we're going to be on the lookout for this to become populated with our LearnDash course, which is the H5P test course, if I remember correctly. Okay, so where did that terminal go? It's right here. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and press enter. Okay, now it's done. And I don't know if I have to wait a few seconds or not, but I'll move this out of the way. And now, in fact, get rid of this and go to the tab in question and refresh. And there it is. It's the H5P test course. And it's basically consisting of the lesson 1 and lesson 2. Well, actually, lesson 1 rather. And it has, on lesson 1, it has 2 quizzes, knowledge check and the adaptive review, which I actually made in my LearnDash site with this module, which is my Pimsleur repetitive learning base module. So, hey, it works. There it is. I find that the terminal, like running a script or the CLI, is much faster than going through the Moodle interface. So let's just see if this works. Now, I haven't rendered these shortcodes yet. I'll do that later. But anyway, that's how it works.